your brain is deceiving you. And the truth is, you're probably not even realizing it. In our lives, we all look to be purposeful. We all look towards success. We all look towards becoming the best version of ourselves, using our time wisely for the greater good, or at least I hope you would be doing this. And if you're not, you try to move on to this path of improving yourself and just looking to be purposeful and just enjoying life through continual improvement and renewal. And so when we look to do these things, we often look forward. We look forward into daily activities. In the morning, we think about how the day is going to go. You go to school, and then you might go and engage in some physical activity, whether that be the gym or a sports session, and then you go into some deep work, and then you go and you help your family, and you do all these things. And it's so great to do that, to block out your day in that manner. But what happens is, from the start of the day, when we think about the rest of our day and all of these positive things, our brain is deceived because it thinks that we've achieved these things before we actually have. And so the problem with this is that at the start of the day, we've said all these things. We've said we're going to go and be productive. We're going to have a great day at school. We're going to go and learn. We're going to go and engage in some great physical activity. We're going to go and be purposeful in our business. We're going to go and help our family, grow near to God, everything like this. But then when we actually go to do those things, our brain feels that we've already done it because we've said all of these things. So our brain is deceived and it thinks we've already done it. It thinks we've achieved the day already. We've already achieved the day. Now we just go and chill. You can do whatever. And that's when distraction sets in. And that's when complacency sets in too, because your brain is fooled. It thinks that it's done all of these things when it actually hasn't. So what you need to think about is actually planning out your day the night before. Because think about it, at night, we've already done the day. We've accomplished the day, or we've gone through the day. We may not have accomplishment, but the day's over. The day has ended. So in that moment when you're reflecting at night and planning your day, blocking out your day, especially I would advise to use Google Calendar because it is truly transformative. But when you block out your day and you think about the process for the next day at night, you go straight to bed. And so it doesn't really affect any of the time that you spend working on your purpose. Whereas in the morning, when you block out your day and you list all these positive things, your brain already thinks you've done it. So there's the problem. So the first shift is to block out your day beforehand at night. So then you get up, you don't even really have to think, and you just begin doing. You have your Google Calendar notifications, and then you just have an idea of what you want to do, and you just go, and that's when you achieve it. And so this is the way to not allow your brain to deceive you, because right now you may feel that you're depleted, or you may feel that you're giving into distraction too much in the day when you have all these positive things planned. You're G'd up, you're ready for the day, you're ready to go and combat the day to become the best version of yourself, and then you end up falling. You end up giving into distraction, letting Satan fool you, and you end up not achieving the day, and then at the end of the day you feel unpurposeful, you feel negative, you feel that you have wasted time. So this is the first thing. And in this as well, this is obviously, it's true for the day, but it's also true for the plans that we have. Because if we go and we talk to these people, and we're like, oh yeah, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to have the dream body, I'm going to go and have a successful business, I'm going to go and top my grade in school, I'm going to go do all of these things. And we tell that to someone else, again, our brain thinks that we have already done it. Our brain thinks that we've already achieved these things. So what we need to do is we need to turn away from believing that we've already done it, and we need to turn away from saying these things to other people and releasing all of this information and kind of releasing the plans that we have, and instead we're just going to work. We need to have an idea in our head, and then we're just going to go for it. Because when we go and we release it, it feels great, and we're like, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, and you say this to someone else, then you think you've already done it. Your brain, it's just, obviously we don't really, but our brain, that's how our brains work. It just is, like we get dopamine from saying things. Every time there's New Year's resolutions, everyone makes it like, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this. And they go and they do it for a little bit. But the fact that they've already said to other people that they're going to do it, as they're going through the New Year resolutions, they end up falling off because their brain thinks that they've already done it and they don't need to do it. And then they give into distractions and then they fall off. And so that is the power of just having an idea in your mind, having an idea, or for instance, in terms of the day, blocking out your day beforehand at night, and then working hard. And again, with this as well, it doesn't mean that you just have to disregard the positive wins in the day. No, once you have a positive win, then you can continue the positive energy. You can stop for a moment and be in the present moment and go, wait a minute, I've just had a great workout, or I've had a great study session. I feel great. I feel fantastic. I feel the presence of God. I'm feeling amazing. Let's keep going. And you use that positive momentum to keep going, because there you've already started. You've already begun the process of the positive habits, so then you can keep going in it. But what you need to do is start first and foremost, because if you list all the positive things from the very start, that's when you're not going to be able to actually start doing them. So, but 100% use the positive momentum, keep going, and then you do something else, and then you keep going. You G yourself up, you keep going, you keep looking to push to be better and do better, and ultimately you will be able to improve your life, improve through Christ, be truly renewed in your life, and just grow as an individual. And it will allow you to be so much more productive, to actually seize the day, to actually fulfill the plans that you believe God has for you, to fulfill that purpose, to actually grow into success, to grow into a relationship with God. It also allows you to use the time that you have utmost wisely. It allows you to really use your time in the best manner you possibly can, to manage your time wisely and just grow as an individual. And that's when you'll be able to achieve your goals. That's when you'll be able to be consistent instead of complacent, and just renew your life. So I really hope this message inspired you, found something out of it. And if you did, please, if you feel that you want to, please share or like and subscribe so that you can see more of this content and other people can too. So I really hope you enjoyed. Have a truly blessed day where you keep seeking renewal and continue to just grow as an individual. So thanks for watching and have a great day.
I cannot fail if the Lord's with me. Same way if the Lord's with you. Exodus 14 verse 14. I need to be still when the Lord comes through. That's true. Not gonna be easy. Push through the pain like a wisdom tooth. He don't leave us alone. He gave us man's the spirit of truth.